Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn to draw numbers. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, green color, black color, blue color, yellow color, and white color. Kids, now draw numbers. And first read of 1 and use red color. O N E 1, 2, T W O 2, 3, T H R W 3, 4, F O U R 4, 5, F I V E 5. Kids, now 6. The numbers of 6 and use green color. S I X 6. Kids, again use green color and draw 7. S E V E N 7. 8. E I G H T 8. 9. N I N E 9. 10. T E N 10. Kids, now 11. The numbers of 11 and use black color. 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. Kids, now 16. The numbers of 16 and use blue color. 17. The numbers of 17. Kids, again use blue color and draw 18. The numbers of 18. 19. The numbers of 19. 20. The last numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.